Alright guys, I am going to have to film this in segments because I am drawing for 6 giveaways, but I also have some birthday stuff that I want to show you guys, and then at the end of this video I'm also going to show you a little bit of my cabinet. Okay, so we have 6 giveaways that we're going to do. So I'm going to do probably 2 or 3 on this one and then do the rest on the next video. I'm going to have to split it up. I also got a gift card from my sister for my birthday. So that was one of my sisters. The other sister gave me cash. We like cash, right? It's going to go towards the same stuff anyway. Whether they give me a gift card or cash, it's all going, y'all know it's all going to crafty stuff. But anyway, so I'm going to do a haul and show you, because I'm starting to collect more beads and stuff, because I fancied making earrings now that my hands don't hurt like they used to. I can work the tools now. And then some stitch markers. Speaking of which, so yeah, we're going to do the 6 hidden giveaways. I'll go ahead and do the drawings for that in this video, and then we'll see how time runs on my phone. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this one is going to be, it was one of my hidden ones. It was the first one that I put in there. It was on the last grouping of the giveaway winners and birthday chat. It was for custom made stitch markers for the lucky winner, and you had to put what your favorite colors were, because I was going to personalize and personally make these individually just for you. So I've already put in the URL. And y'all know I use the Picket app now. I have boycotted the random comment picker. Unless I'm going to do multiple comments, then I'll use the random comment picker. And then I don't even know if it would work properly or not, because we won't get into that. So, put it in there. We're going to go ahead and click this down here. If it'll let me click it. Random. Well, it's supposed to. Go on, find it.
Hey, Mom.
One winner, and I'm filming, so hold on. All right, now that that's out of the way, finally got it. We have 88 unique comments found out of 88. So now remember, this one goes really quick. It doesn't spit it up everywhere. It just instantly picks. I got my handy dandy paper to write down who the winners are, and I suppose I need to write it in a different color. Oh, that's too bright. Bear with me. We'll do the color in, ooh, let's see if this is going, yes, a fluorescent green. Okay. Okay, right here, comments. Yay. Let's see who won. It's thinking. Well, it's communicating. It's still going. Well, oh, there we go. Kelly Minier. Kelly Minniear. Let's see what Kelly says. Congratulations to the winner and happy birthday month. Well, thank you, Kelly. My favorite color is green, but I also like purple shades and browns and gray shades. Congratulations on your weight loss. I've recently lost 23 pounds. Oh, how about that? Awesome. Thank you, Kelly. I'm going to tell you guys how you can collect your winnings at the end of this video. And let's see. That was number 1. She got the stitch marker set. So that's going to be Kelly. And I'm going to have to change pins. I'll be right back. All right. I got a pin that works. And I like this app because it shows you down here where you can share the winner on Facebook or on Twitter, which is awesome. I don't know if I have my Twitter and my Facebook account set up with this app, but all right. So Kelly, you're going to get the custom made stitch markers, and this one was open worldwide. So she said her favorite color was green, and then secondary colors are going to be purple, brown, and gray. And I think this was the only one that I was customizing as far as all my giveaways. Okay, so let me go ahead and get set up for giveaway number 2. Giveaway number 2 was the crochet books, yarn, and you had to say angel coasters, or the type of angel pattern it was. So you had to say that. So hold on just a second. All right, well, I put the URL in, and I went ahead and selected the comments. And this one had 88 unique comments found out as well. So awesome. Okay. So let's check that one. And there it goes. Oh, that was quick. Okay. GMDRP for Eva. I don't know who that is. It says, love Reba. The Marine Angels would make adorable coasters. I agree. The ice yarn for your clutch is gorgeous. Thank you for your generosity. So congratulations. I don't know what GMDRP for Eva is, but that's who won. Okay. All right, guys. So apparently Picket has a limit, and I was playing around with it earlier and couldn't get it to work properly, so I reached my limit. There's a 3 limit. So we're on random picker number 3. So even though I boycotted this app, I've had to switch over, and it may be just a Christmas and July fairies thing, the reason why we were having issues with it in the past. So I've put in my URL, I put in filtered duplicate users, and I know I said in the beginning of this that I was going to do the hidden ones first, but I decided to do them in order. The first one being the cross stitch markers, which Kelly won that. The second one being the crochet books and yarn, which Gumdrop Eva for Eva. I'm guessing that's what that is. GMDRP Gumdrop for Eva. Anyway, so this will be number 3. This is going to be the cross stitch pattern book and thread kit. So we're using the random comment picker. I'm going to spin you around this way a little bit. See if I can get it to turn. Yeah. Okay, so get YouTube comments. This one is slower. There were 63 unique comments. So, of course, y'all know how this works because a lot of channels use this app. And it takes a little bit of time on mine. It has not stopped yet. It is still going. Yeah, it picks up the internet really slow. So, when it zooms in, that's who the winner is going to be. So, Diana Garms, look at that. I've been collecting Noah's Ark things for years. Such a precious reminder. Thank you for sharing. Well, congratulations, Diana Garms. You are the winner of the cross stitch kit. So you get the, because you mentioned Noah's Ark, you get the Noah's Ark kit. You guys see what my yarn behind me. I've got all kinds of stuff everywhere. I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh, that's a reflection on here. That's what that is. All right, so looks like we've got a little bit more time. I will go ahead and do see if I can get the other 3 in. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and do number 4. Number 4 was for the coloring books, the gift tags, the glitter pins, and this one is open worldwide because I can get it in a padded envelope. So let me go get the URL for that, and then we'll come back and we'll do the random comment picker since they don't have a limit on those. I didn't realize I had a limit on the Picket because I'd always done 2 or 3 before anyway. But anyway, and I hadn't used it in a while, so I had to play around with it at first. So let's do this. Hold on. Okay. So I've got filter duplicate users. I put in the URL. Let's go get the comments. There were 56 comments on this one. And let's see, what did you have to do? This was for any comments. So anybody could win this one. Any comment on this. I'm trying to keep the glare off of it. So there it goes. It's thinking. Come on. It's still thinking. Mine goes real slow because my internet streaming in this back room is very slow. I get a lot of buffering. Erin, congratulations, you won. Oh my gosh, the coloring books, the gift tags, the glitter pins. And let's see what she says. I love to color and especially love the scented markers. This would be something fun my son and I can do together. Well, congratulations, Erin Sayers. That's awesome. Yay, Erin won. Wow, okay. So we'll put Erin down. Sales. It's just spelled different. S-A-Y-L-E-S. All right, so that's 4 winners. We got 2 more to pick. I've got to go ahead and get this up because I'm going to run out of space on my phone. So, yeah. So, bear with me just a second, and I'll tell you guys how you can collect your winnings. While I've got this loading, I'm going to probably be working on some more tags. And then I've got to show you guys what I got with my gift card. Yay! That doesn't look like $50 worth of stuff, but I promise you it is. But it's a lot of really great stuff. And then I've got to, I think, is it these? I've got photographs of these. I've got my laptop over here so I can get some more stitch markers up in my shop. Yeah, so to enter. The winners need to contact me via email, young40mom@gmail.com. And in the subject line, you have to put the word winner. W-I-N-N-E-R. Make it big, all bold. It doesn't have to be all bold. Just as long as I can search it by winner, because that way it'll pull it out of my spam too as well if it decides to go into my spam. So I have to have the word winner in the subject line, and give me your mailing address, and we will get these shipped out. So we drew the 4 winners of the 6. That would be Kelly, Erin, Diana, and Gumdrop for Eva. So yeah, so y'all need to contact me and give me your mailing address to my email address. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Now, it is not the end of October. It's not the end of August yet. So I still have that special going on in my shop if you're interested in checking it out. I am going to put up some more stitch markers by the end of the day today. So the sale will go on until midnight of the 31st if you're interested. And so yeah, so I'm gonna get this up, and then we will have I'll have a video for the other 2 winners, and I'll show you what I got for my birthday haul. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. Keep it real. Peace out. He grabs my hand, so I'll pet him, and then when I stop, he'll grab me again. Watch. So he's grabbing and rubbing on me. This is my midnight. This is my baby boy. This is my baby boy. Oh, okay, he's fluffing me up. Oh, you're fluffing me up.
Corey, do you copy?
You gonna grab my hand? You gonna grab my hand? Or are you just gonna rub on my hand? You gonna grab me? You gonna put your arm around me? Show people how you grab me.
Something wrong?
There you go. You grabbing me? Okay. He does that while I'm sitting on the commode. He scratches my scalp till I pet him. And if I stop petting him, he'll try to grab my hand while I'm sitting on the commode. He gets on the counter in the bathroom. Oh. Oh.
This is Kelsey.
You want me to love on you some more? And then I got this beside me.
In charge.
So this is my lover boy number 1, and this is my lover boy number 2. Midnight's my real lover boy though.
I got what I did.
My yarn wall. This is just a little bit. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is the only thing I keep in my bedroom. I'm watching Walking Dead.
Here's
Oh,
my mentor.
there's my Garfield stuff.